Hi there, my name is Marin and I'm here to share with you a nice visualization meditation that you can do anytime to help increase your peace, reduce stress, and just help you get more grounded and focused. So let's begin by finding a comfortable place to sit or to relax. If you feel more comfortable, you're more than welcome to lay down, but find wherever you feel comfortable in your space and that you can just totally relax. Once you find the space, just check your body, close your eyes. Let's take a big breath in through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Let's do it one more time, focusing on releasing the body. Let it go loose and limp. Breathing in. Big through the nose, filling up the belly, filling up the lungs. And let's go ahead and sigh through the mouth. Now I want you to focus on the top of your head. Let's check the top of your head. Breathe into the top of your head, focusing on bringing your breath in through the nostrils. Fill that top of the head with your breath. And then let it go. I want you to imagine energy and light coming in through your breath, swirling into the top of your head, cleansing it, and then exhaling any stress or any tension there in your temples, in between your eyes, through the top of your head. In your next breath, bring that inhale through the top of your head and down the back of your neck. Focusing on that breath, re-energizing your neck, and expelling the tension, the toxins, the stress. Breathe it in directly into the back of your neck now. Down into your lower neck. You may give your breath of light a color. Maybe it's yellow. Maybe it's blue like the calm ocean. Maybe it's translucent, or maybe it glows. Breathe that breath into your shoulders now. Bringing energy and life into your body. Exhaling tension, exhaling negativity. Fill that air of light into your back and chest. Releasing worry, releasing concern. Taking a big breath and fill in those lungs. Expand it and hold it there. Let's do that one more time, filling in the lungs, expanding the back. Feel all that life and oxygen re-energize your body, replenish your breath, giving you life for one more moment. Feel the coolness of your breath, rushing down your spine, into your low back, coating your belly. Bring that light to your belly button. Exhale. Imagine all that oxygen carrying that light, your life force, through your bloodstream to the top of the head, circulating down your neck, into your shoulders, down your spine, filling your chest, dripping down your lower back and down your belly, reaching your hips, now swirling around your hips. Breathe that air into your hip region. Focus on that light. Lighting your body up on the inside from the top of your head down into your hips, deep to the end of your spine. Breathe in that breath to your tailbone now. Releasing any tension, any weight or stress. Release the aches and pains. Relaxing your body down into your hips. Let's go the other way now and breathe that breath into our toes. Bring that breath in, straight into the toes. Just drop it down into the toes, feeling your toes, focusing on how they tickle, focusing on how the end of you is not at the end of your toes. It's not the bottom. It's just another place for energy to extend. As you exhale, imagine that light going out the end of your fingertips. Keep that light going through your fingertips in your mind, and then exhale and extend it out through your toes. Bring that light into the tops of your legs, down to your thighs, into your ankles, and the bottoms of your feet. Now maintain this deep, steady breath and focus this beautiful light, this air that we breathe, this free life that we take in, and imagine it circling all around you, replenishing your cells and your blood with oxygen, your brain with oxygen, this life force that allows you to continue to move forward with consciousness effortlessly. You breathe without thinking, so allow this light to work through every area of your body, releasing yourselves from any negativity or worry, and inhale that life force. Breathe it and feel it heal. Trust it. And feel free to relax here for as many moments as you wish. I hope you feel more relaxed, more energized, more clear. Feel free to continue this visual meditation throughout your entire body, once more or twice more, however you feel you need. And thank you so much for joining me here. Till next time.